Oh, not sure if this is allowed, but go follow Insane Gaming. Corey, we don't normally allow stuff like that, right? Oh, we'll take him. He is not a bad pull. He is not a bad pull, guys. That's actually a really good pull. He mightn't go for a lot, right? He mightn't go for a lot because of his pace. Another walkout. French. CDM. Kante. Oh my. I'm done. I'm done. Fucking done. You found it. You found it. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. 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 Ah, boys. Got there. Oh, Shannon. Oh, walk out. Come on. Come on. French. Striker. Mbappe. No way. Fucking yes! 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 Come on, baby! Let's go! Walk out, baby! French. Center mid. Pogba! Pogba, baby! Let's fucking go! Let's go, baby! We'll take Pogba! Woo! Oh, let's go! 60 viewers in here! That's how you do a walkout! Pogba, baby! Woo! Murph. Walk out! Here we go, baby! Come on! Argentina. No way. I got trolled. I got trolled. I got trolled, chat. I got heavy trolled. I thought that was Messi. I literally thought it was Messi. We will take Di Maria though. This is another walkout. I literally thought I was about to pack Messi. I got trolled so hard.